Hello everyone. I don't want my channel to be absolutely dead, so I will be posting a few of my recent projects in the sequence. One of those is LemLibrary, which is basically an application that it's kind of tribute to the works of Stanisław Lem, a Polish sci-fi author, not only sci-fi but mostly. And this is a multi-language application. At the beginning, there is a small riddle that involves the user figure out uh, that they should enter their own language. For example, let's type English. It will take around 5 seconds, something around it. Here we have obviously the translated description of the application and small uh, biography of Stanisław Lem and his picture. And here we have the sentence, please provide the topic that interests you. So let's type, for example, swimming in the ocean. Okay. And like we see, there is some results. We have the novel Solaris. This is a book about planet covered by the literary thinking ocean. And how does this application works? Uh, the input description is proceed using embeddings. Embeddings are the vector representation of the text. And this input is compared with embeddings of genres for each item stored in virtual Qdrant database created in the RAM. Uh, my database contains 20 entries, 20 books selected by me. Then the three items, which is the highest similarity scores, are selected and displayed. The description are translated into the language previously provided by the user along with an image. Like we can see, we have the tree with the most matching. Of course, this is the multi-language application, so I will refresh. And let's add another language. For example, Czech language. It also should take like 5 seconds to translate. Or 6 or 7. And we have the same page in the Czech language that I don't know Czech language. There is of course a credit. It's that a lot. It's that a little. Oh no, it's something. See ya.